That's crazy. Yo, that's Blake's Need for Speed, bro. Oh.
Oh guys, this weather really sucks. This whole day has been nasty and gray and rainy. It's okay now. It's finally clearing up a little bit, but took advantage of the dank weather to stay inside to get some business related stuff done. Oh yeah, I also posted on our Instagram, so shameless self-promotion. If you haven't already, be sure to go follow us on the gram. But I really need to make some progress out here and I need to get this car done. This car, if you guys remember, I replaced some coolant lines more recently, found out that we were having some leaks. We took care of a few things in a video. It was a few videos ago now. Link up in the corner, of course, but I filled it up with water to kind of give it a half flush and just to get it going. And my plan was I had ordered a thermostat and as soon as I got it, I was gonna put it in here and clean up that area because there is like some weird corrosion going on here and I just really wanted to take care of it and make sure that area was clean. So today we're gonna start out by draining this coolant out and throwing this thing in there and getting that all cleaned up.
Ooh, boys, it is so cold out.
But I just got done filming a really cool time lapse, and of course, the camera wasn't recording for some reason. So that kind of sucks, but that's okay. Because I went ahead and got the car all bled, the coolant all bled and everything. It was a little bit of a pain in the butt. I forgot to drill a tiny little hole in the thermostat. That is a neat little trick that you can do to kind of help with the bleeding process. Did not think to do that, so it did take a little longer, but I did loosen up this bleeder screw right here, and that actually helped quite a bit. That went pretty smoothly, and now that's all cleaned up in there. There's no more weird yellow stuff and weird corrosion, so. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and take this thing out for a spin and continue on with the vlog. We got some exciting stuff coming up for the rest of this video. God, I'm lisping. Hey.
What's up?
Boosted things. Doing all right. I just drove through the dust bowl right over there, but other than that, I'm doing okay.
That's awesome.
Oh yes, I can finally see a motor.
This was a pain to get off.
Was it really?
Yeah.
Cause I figured it just like...
It does, it just snaps right in there, but oh my God.
Everything connected to it probably.
Yeah. But yeah.
Well, hey, you got all the hard stuff done, so.
Yeah, exactly.
Now I can just stand here and look smart. This is my first time working on a Volkswagen and it's going absolutely wonderfully so far. It's already dark and this clamp right there, it's one of these like radiator style OEM clamps. It was on the intake. I've never seen anything like that and it goes deep down in here. We were messing with that for quite a while because I didn't have my fancy tool. There it is, beautiful K&N. K&N is the bomb, so ta-da. This is actually about the kind of lighting that I usually work with too because I'm too lazy to buy new lights, so. You started. I hear it. That's awesome. It didn't do that before, did it?
No. Well, it did it before, right? The only way you could hear it was in third to fourth gear. You can hear it.
You can hear it a little bit.
But now you can hear it like,
yeah,
no problem.
When you're driving, you're probably going to hear it a lot too, especially you got that noise pipe. We're at Taco Bell, ladies and gentlemen. I am high on Baja Blaster, but God, we made it. We got a few of us here hanging out. Got the old Supra. We even got a Jetta, and we even got Weston. You can't even see Weston's car down there. Weston brought his Legacy. You got the Legacy down there.
Sweet thing.
I don't know who bought this piece of crap, but you know, it's...
He pulled into this space, he's like, oh, it's making weird noise. It just goes, da-da-da-da-do. Sick.
People trying to make the noise that their car makes is the most hilarious thing ever.
Weird.
It's like, it does just like... My question is, how much horsepower did that add?
Oh, that's like 13 horsepower.
Is it 13?
Bro.
All right, man.
No, my son. Listen, when
I was
bought
gonna
it,
say
there was no
25, but you
emblem
know.
at all. So I went to like AutoZone thinking maybe I'll find a Honda emblem and I'll just stick it on there with all good. And my son's like, yeah, super.
Believe you. Group photo.
It's the EXL.
Group photo.
Accord is too.
Here we go.
I'm pretty sure if it crashes, yeah, I don't want it to.
It sounds so good.
What I don't want it to be is.
That sounds amazing. Who did that? All right, so we are, I don't know what we're doing. We're following them because they want to go for a ride in his old Supra. They're headphones. Aren't you amazed? So they want to go for a ride in his old Supra, so we're going to follow them, and if it blows up, you know. No traction.
Where's that whistling sound?
That's the turbo. He's calling. You see a cop car whip out. I can smell his car. For a second, I'm like, is there something burning on my car? And I'm like, oh, wait, so it's that thing. The vents or whatever.
Like downtown, and now we're in cornfields.
Yeah, now we're in cornfields. Literally like one street over. Everybody go follow Weston. Go follow Weston. He's my camera boy right now, and he is a music producer.
Yeah, I mean that's some pretty good advice.
Yeah, you need to follow him, like for real. Go straight.
That's an epic movie car.
Oh my god. Oh god. That did not sound happy whatsoever. We're not gonna do that again.
That's an epic movie car.
Oh my god. Whoops. They're like, oh, we didn't get rid of them guys yet? God dang it. Well, it's so cool that they're letting us like hang out here. Because people are really
wow.
like not cool about car meets usually. Oh, he doesn't want to rub.
Oh.
Oh yeah, his exhaust ain't
Yeah,
cool,
because
too.
that. Oh. Haters go away before I hit ya. I'm not a big old kisser.
Didn't really think that, did you? Right.
Everything.
I'll take this back. Thanks again. Shout out to Weston. Go follow him. He even knows NF, which is awesome.
Dude, did you hear him?
Did I?
Yeah, dude, I did, and I started to take off, and like I'm not used to the solid
Did
mounts.
you like legit record me?
Yeah, we're recording it. You'll see it in the vlog, but the vlog, I would try to keep up, and I peeled out too. And I'm not used to these solid mounts yet, so I shifted and it's like, clunk, clunk. And I'm like, we're not gonna do that again. Hello, officer. And you started to get on here, and then I was like, the cops are send it. Dude, it sounds like a f***ing purple, that's crazy. Dude, it's a little sneeze. You can hear the shh. Like, dude, that is,
I love that, dude.
That's crazy. Yo, that's Blake, Need for Speed, bro. We got a guy in a Golf doing all kinds of crazy stuff in here in the village lines. Over. Yo, this is fire. Yes. Dope. We are heading out. It's late. It's like 10 p.m. and the weather sucks, so we're calling it a night, but that was a ton of fun. Shout out to everybody for making this meet awesome. And that lot here, it's a really small, just backcountry meet. I'm sure we'll get some cool stuff out here sometimes, and I'll do a lot more filming here, but I'll be here like every week as much as I can be. So I think we're gonna wrap up the video here because I got a little bit of a drive ahead of me and I gotta watch for deer, so I'm not gonna be filming. Oh my God. You scared the crap out of me, son.
Yeah, I meant to.
As always, smash the subscribe button if you haven't already, and what else do they need to do?
They need to turn on the bell.
They need to turn on that bell.
If they subscribe, it's not really gonna do anything.
That's alright. So hit that bell and also hit that thumbs up button if you did enjoy, if you enjoyed the vlog, and if you enjoyed, you know, this, everything we did in this video was kind of crazy, but it was a little bit of a switch from a lot of stuff we're doing recently. So, but yeah, again, thank you guys so much for the support. You rock. What do they say?
God bless, and we will see. Well, no, I'm not going to be here in the next video.
I will
probably.
see you in the next one for sure. Peace out.